Good morning, Ma'am Fe.
Good morning, Ma'am Ken.
Will you please introduce yourself?
Hi, good morning. My name is Marife and I'm working as an English teacher and I teach 7th and ninth graders.
Okay, thank you so much. There are a few questions that I would like to ask you
Okay.
about your language preference and how it affects your behavior. Okay, so are you ready for the
Yes.
questions? First question is, what is your preferred language for your daily communication?
My preferred language is Cebuano or Bisaya since that is my native language.
Okay, and do you switch between languages in different settings? Like, for example, you are working as an English teacher, so do you switch languages?
Yes. I switch from Bisaya to English but most of the time I use Bisaya.
Okay, so how does it affect the way you express yourself?
Hmm, I can express myself more clearly in Bisaya than in English, but using the English language is required at work, but most of the time I do code switch.
And when speaking in your preferred language, like earlier you said your preferred language is your native language, so Bisaya. Do you feel more confident and expressive compared to using English as your second language?
Yes, yes, of course.
Why?
Um, since English is not my native language, it comes with anxieties and sometimes mahadlok kita nga kanang masayop because people are quick to judge labi na sa English language nga labi na English teacher ka you must be aware of your grammar so mas mas confident ko expressing myself in this time.
Mm. How does your choice of language change depending on who you are speaking with, aside from your students, like for example, your coworkers, your family members, or your friends? How does it? How does your choice of language change?
um
How does your choice of language change depending on who you are speaking with? Does it change every time you speak to other people? Like for example, if you're speaking with your family, you use certain language. When you speak with your friends, you use another
no
language.
I still use the same language if you want.
So the only difference, the only different uh, is when you are speaking with your students.
Yes.
Most of the time, English medium gamiton.
Yes.
Okay. And do you think speaking in a different language affects your tone?
Yes.
How?
Like I've said, speaking the English language comes with anxiety kay mahandlok tama sa'yo. So, para dili kaayo say tawag ani awkward, I have to be more confident para mas ma-express pa na akong message across. But overall, yes, most of it.
How about your personality? Does it change when you use a different language? Like for example, when you are using you are using your native language Bisaya. Do you have a different personality? And then when you are using English, do you have a different personality?
Yes, kay ang akong humor gyud kay Bisaya gyud
Bisaya
akong
jud.
gamit, dili gyud English kay kung mag-English ko na dili man kaayo funny.
Oh, murag
Oh,
murag di sad kayo relate
yes.
when it comes to English jokes.
Yes.
Okay, sige. And have you noticed that certain this one, does using a different language influence how you handle emotions?
Oo, kay kanang for example, interview nga English gyud ang gamiton. So, syempre kulbaan mi ang kay since pagkabata Bisaya bi gyud imong gamit nga language, wala bi gyud mo ga English sa balay. So, naagi kulba. So, mo gyud na nga imong i-manage ang imong emotions kay para kay lisod man maggamit ko ng language nga wala nato na andan gud sa na daily basis na nato gamit na daily basis. So, kinahanglan i-manage nimo imong emotions para masabtan ka sa imong istorya.
Yes, exactly. How about when you are expressing your anger?
course, Bisaya.
Anger is a very different emotion ba yan, no?
Oo, Bisaya gyud kay may bang matawa. English man ni siya, nga naglagot. Oh.
Naglagot. Niya kung masayop sa ta, murag bawag tang atong kalagot.
Oh, kay bong matawa siya nakapanito ba? English
When you are angry manggod, you seem to be very assertive kung mag-English ka.
Yes. Exactly. Usahay mag-English ko sa mga bata kung maglagot ko. Pero kung lagot yun, of course, Bisaya din.
Okay. Also, I think some words in the English language and when used when you're angry is kind of very offensive sometimes, no?
Yeah, offensive.
Offensive ang mga words sa English kung
Yeah, like
gamitin.
yung imbecile, oh, di ba gid ka dapat mong gamit
Yes.
ana?
Uh,
Para din mga way hinungdan, charot.
do you think people judge others based on the language they speak?
Oo, kay pagtanaw nila sa mga English speakers kay kanang ang tawagan ni si term anak kanang
Kaya mighty.
superior
Ala, superior. Yeah.
Kami minsan mo nila Filipino and Bisaya. So pag English ka, assertive ka, speaking, assertive, intelligent.
There are positive and there are negative judgment when it comes to using languages, no? Kaya kung yun, Bisaya, rajud ka, dako sa dali niya, dako kay Bisaya. Ano ba niya? That's a negative comment. I think that's a negative comment. It's not a compliment, no? Niya mo na din sila, basta Bisaya kay kanal.
Oh, kung English mo good ka tanaw sa mga tao kay
Expensive.
expensive.
It's an expensive
smart.
language.
Oh.
Mausa. Okay, so I think here. I would like to ask the final question, and here it goes. Do you find it easier or harder to build relationships when you are using your preferred language?
I think it's easier when you use your preferred language. For example, I joined dating apps before, and mostly ang ako mga nakachat kay kanang mga foreigners. So, mas maglisod ko nga mag-express akong self in English and mas dali ko kapuyan nga sana kana exchange o conversation compared gid sa kanang Bisaya kay mas klaro ang communication, mas makasabot ka niya ug siya pud ni.
I think it also applies to kanang personal conversations, no? It's easier to murag
ang flow,
the flow ba mas longer ang conversation if
mas relax po.
Kung comfortable mo duha sa language nga inyong gigamit bitaw. That is correct. Alright, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
You saved my assignment.